Bloodsucker versus ants. This kissing bug hunt by the ants, so maybe she can't manage for to escape them. So take a look my video, so very close. So this is the kissing bug or the bloodsucker. The ants teamwork on this kind of food for their colony. As you can see, they have easily hunt this kissing bug or the bloodsucker. This is the wild life of the ants and the insects, as you can see.